Summarized rulings pertaining to Zakaatul Fitr. 1. What is the ruling of Zakaatul Fitr? Ibn Baz rahimahullah said, Zakaatul Fitr is obligatory upon every Muslim, whether they be young or old, male or female, free or enslaved. Al-Fatwa 14-197. To what can be given out as Zakaatul Fitr? Ibn Baz rahimahullah said, a measurement of 3 liters of food like dates, barley, raisins, or anything similar from these types. The correct statement from the scholars is any of food from the land of the people that will nourish them, like rice, corn, and the likes. 3. When can one give out the Zakaatul Fitr? Ibn Baz rahimahullah said, one can give the Zakaatul Fitr on the 28th, 29th, 13th of Ramadan, the night of Eid, or on the morning of Eid before the prayer. Al-Fatwa 14-32-33. For reason for giving out Zakaatul Fitr, Ibn Uthayman rahimahullah said, to openly show gratitude for Allah's blessing upon the servant by completing Ramadan and ending one's fast. Al-Fatwa 18-57. 5. Who are the recipients of Zakaatul Fitr? Ibn Uthayman rahimahullah said, there is only one type of recipient, and they are the poor and needy. Al-Fatwa 18-59. 6. Ruling of entrusting one's children or others to distribute their portions of Zakaatul Fitr. Ibn Uthayman rahimahullah said, it is permissible for one to entrust their children to pay for their Zakaatul Fitr in its rightful time, even if it is given out in another land due to being busy. Al-Fatwa 18-62. 7. It is permissible for a poor person to assign someone else to receive his share of Zakaatul Fitr. Ibn Uthayman rahimahullah said, that is permissible. Al-Fatwa 18-68. 8. Is there a specific statement to say or supplication to make when giving out Zakaatul Fitr? Al-Lazna and Daima said, we do not know of any specific supplication that is said at the time of its distribution. 9387. 9. Is it permissible to give money as Zakaatul Fitr? Ibn Baz rahimahullah said, no, it is not permissible to give money as Zakaatul Fitr, as is the statement of any scholars. That is because giving money opposes what has been related from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions radiyallahu ta'ala. Al-Fatwa 14-32. 10. Does one have to have a certain amount of wealth in order to give Zakaatul Fitr? Ibn Baz rahimahullah said, there is no limit for one to reach. Rather, Zakaatul Fitr is obligatory upon every Muslim to give out on behalf of.